What's going on, guys? It is Super Bowl Sunday, and we decided we're gonna go out to the local spot and hit some trails while everyone's watching the game, and hopefully it won't be too crowded out there, and you know, epic dirt after the week long of California rain, so it should be good. So stick with us.
Oh shit.
Bike's dirty, full.
The only way. You've changed.
Dude, you've changed. Look at that haircut.
I saw that guy riding with a helmet on. I was like, what are you doing, dude?
The guy without a helmet?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's on.
Dude, not a good idea, bro.
St. Bernard saving the day. Need some anti-fog spray or what?
I need some fucking Rain-X on these things.
Some windshield wipers?
Children at play.
Baby dogs.
We all suck in the dad guts.
So my daughter says, Dad, you got a beer belly. You and all your buddies have beer bellies.
I tell my wife it's a bump stop.
All the dads.
She goes, what's it? I'm like, it's a bump stop. Jeremy McGrath.
All right, should we hit this shit? You guys ready? Remember, we're gonna hit this, we're gonna hit that drop into that corner, then we got that long rock garden right into the pavers with the hip jump.
Yeah, but I haven't seen the pavers in a while, so I don't
Yeah,
know.
but the pavers are super smooth compared to when we fucked with it, so just send it. Just send it. Ready? Felipe, are you ready?
Here we go, boys.
It's so annoying because I pulled up right there and I was like, there's no way I'm gonna. Why am I endoing?
You guys know where the climbing trail's at? Yeah, go left.
I did exactly.
Go left. Just keep going straight.